Good morning and welcome to Protomotive. I thought I'd give you a quick assembly tip. This seems to be difficult. I know I struggled with these things, the Sachs throwout bearing and the pull style diaphragms, how this stuff goes together and how to assemble it. Anyway, had to find the rest of the parts. I'd left them over there by the coffee machine. So, they hand you this box of goodies here with no explanation in the box. I'm not sure if in the manual it shows anything. I'm sure it's somewhere. It's got a couple shims, a ring, a spring clip, and a holder. Take both of these little, take the two little shims, got both of them. Put that guy on there first. That keeps this little magic spring guy from falling off of the lip there. Then we're gonna put that on there, and then you've got to be able to put this sucker on here. Now, old school, and what I'm sure a lot of you have done is you come over here and you put the thing on the ground and you try to kneel on it with your knees. I don't know if I can see this, to get it deep enough.
Giggity.
Make sure this detent goes down and latches in to the fingers, and then you struggle and you move and you try to get this little sucker in here, and you know, I mean, you can get that thing in there. You work on it.
That's what she said.
You can do it with the knee method. Let's show you an easier way, if you happen to have one. Hi, Kenan. Take this little sucker, set it on your arbor press, put that on top of it. A couple little spacers. Make sure it's centered up really nice. Tits down. Put that on. Now you see you got control over it. Put that thing in there.
Giggity.
Boop. Pops right in. You're good to go. Just try to keep this guy, you can see the thing is centered in there. You can move that around a little bit to try to get that centered in there better. It will self-center when it's running in the car, but that's all there is to it. Pretty simple, even though at first it doesn't seem simple. Thanks for watching.